What a spectacular show. This is one of the most floriferous Southwest natives, and brightest, and cheeriest. This is island bush poppy. It's a true poppy in the poppy family from islands off Southern California. It has a blue-green glaucous cast and clear canary yellow flowers. This is a big bush that's low to no water, full sun to maybe part shade. I think it's at its best and it'll have a tighter shape in the full sun. But what a spectacular show. This is one of the most floriferous Southwest natives, and brightest, and cheeriest, and has a nice cool kind of look to it in that the foliage is blue glaucous, so for the rest of the year it gives a nice cool bluish, kind of powder bluish background. So Dendromecon harfordii island bush poppy, something exquisite for your low water garden in if you have a very large bed in the mid border or back border or great in a row. Puts on a show for many, many months. Hi, thanks for joining me. If you found this video interesting or informative, or you think that other people might, please give me the thumbs up or subscribe on my YouTube channel. That way I'll know, and other people will know, that this is a good thing. There's a lot of treasures to explore out there, and it's fun to share them.